Welcome back to the Fenton History Center. Victoria Parker, curator here at the Fenton. We're bringing you some behind-the-scenes photos of objects in our collection. I am holding a boot jack. This is not in our regular collection. It's what we call our Fenton Use Collection, so that we can use it and demonstrate it for people. So I'm going to demonstrate a boot jack for you. Some of you might recognize these or even have one in your house. This is a fairly simple one. Just a board with a V cut in it and a piece on there like that. Yep. What you do is you put it down on the floor, and these are fashion boots and not, work boots, but it works. Stick your heel in the V and pop your boot off, and then do the other one. You can see my fancy Dr. Seuss socks. So this is a boot jack. It would have been a very helpful tool on the farm. The Fenton History Center is currently closed. We are posting things on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and on our Facebook page, FentonHistoryCenter.org, regularly, as well as on YouTube, Fenton History Channel. And we are looking forward to being able to see you again really soon. Please come back and visit us in person and see all the other wonderful artifacts on exhibit. Thanks for watching.